Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here at Peyton's in Bluffton, Indiana. And supposed to pick up a power only. Supposed to do this all week. Excuse me. I'll park over here out of the way. Store 19. That's what I need. Someone back there got a spot over here. So this plow guy can keep plowing the property here. It's coming down pretty good outside today. It's getting hammered. The roads are getting nasty. Well, they've already been nasty. Been pretty funky. So I dropped my trailer in their bullpen, and basically come over here, pick up an empty, go deliver it to a couple stores, and bring it back. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm supposed to do this all week, like I said. It pays per day plus fuel surcharge for the route that I get. Like 3 or 4 stops per route, something like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna go inside, get my paperwork. I gotta get my vest on, and I'm gonna get my trailer and get on the road. I don't know if this is gonna be a reefer load or a dry van, so yeah, we're gonna see what happens. So let's go inside. All right guys, we are loaded here. I'm taking my daggum time. I didn't even realize somebody was behind me. I was trying to get my bills and everything set up. Get my normal bills with my e-log and obviously get the camera on. So we are rocking and rolling here. This old girl's heavy. I don't know exactly how heavy, but I know she's heavy. The tandems were pretty far back, and I was pushing that 34 mark on my drives, so I slid the tandems forward. At least she's heavy. Gives me a little more traction, I guess, but still, if you're gonna slide, you're gonna slide. And so a lot of guys are like, oh, I want a really heavy load. I'm like, I mean, I understand it to a point, but if you're gonna slide, you're gonna slide regardless. I guess there's less of a chance of sliding with the heavy trailer, but you hit ice, it don't matter. And then you got all that weight behind you pushing you, just making things worse. So, just not my favorite thing, but that's all right. That's the big bullpen where you can drop your trailer and all that good stuff. There's my trailer. But yeah, man, these roads are terrible, aren't they? I got 110 miles to my first stop. I will definitely make that one. I'm not sure how far the next stop is from that, but I can turn on my headlights there. Gonna attempt to make both of them. Or at least I'm gonna attempt to make all of them I can. The problem is I'm into my 14. I should have just went up. There we go. I'm into my 14 quite a bit, so my hours are ticking away, and that's never good. Look at my mirror. Can't even see the truck behind me. That's wild. It's coming down. The wind is just blowing the snow off its trailer because it's been sitting. So I'm sure it's like a blizzard behind me. Basically, to come in the same way I went. Just can't go through town, I guess, from the looks of things. Jeez. I was looking at the Iowa 80 when I was out there. They got the company does heated wipers and everything. They're expensive, but I wonder if they'd be worth it. because then you wouldn't have all this ice build up, and it would kind of help clear everything out for you. But oh, that's why I can't go that way. Local deliveries only. Definitely not a local delivery. Definitely a heavier load than I'd like, but whatever, it's all good. We're making money. We're making really good money. And it's power only, so I get the 70% instead of 65. Just an extra 5%, but still that adds up when you do 5 of these a week. So I'm gonna try and do 5 of them. Delayed excuse me, but nevertheless there's an excuse me. Oh, wipers suck. Wipers suck. I'm gonna turn my defrost on high. That kind of helps everything. Heats up that windshield right there. Man, we were like a ice road trucker. Except I don't know that I do that. Oh, they got a shooting range. That's awesome. I wish I had a shooting range in my backyard. It'd save a lot of money than range time, wouldn't it? Or range costs, I guess. That was a little sweat boy. This is freaking exciting. Oh my goodness gracious. Yeehaw. Let the fun begin. The wind is blowing so hard from the north, or the south, whatever, yeah, the north. I'm going east. It's just whipping across the street. And then when I get a semi that passes me, come on, get over there, clean that up. Get a semi that's coming this way at full speed, or 50 mile an hour, whatever they're doing. It's just like a whiteout in front of me. Nothing I can do is just roll into like a heavy fog. The road is gone. It's slow going when you got 110 miles to go and you're doing 30 mile an hour. That's your fastest. Jeez Speeding up just goes too fast, and it's just not, I mean, it's all over. It's just wiggling. She wants to go to that next gear though, don't she? Where in the hell did the road go? I need those heated wipers. Horse and buggies out here, huh? I bet that's exciting. Wonder what they do like on Sundays or whenever their church is. Like, do they still get out in all this, or the Amish, like the horse and buggies? I'm just curious. I genuinely don't know. I will say this though, I haven't seen any car. Well, I seen one car in the ditch, and that was on my way to pick up this load, and it was a Mustang, convertible Mustang, just in the median. Holy crap, guys. Where's the road? This is so dumb. I gotta get off the damn road. Oh, there's the yellow line. I just seen yellow. So I'm still on my side of the road. If I was with JB Hunt, they would have said, no, you're shutting it down. Which is the smart thing to do right now. This is so dumb. There's no point in being out here in this. Oh, this trailer is just a First Fleet trailer. Never talked about that earlier. Yeah, just a dry van, 53 dry van with a roll door. So I can back right up to the dock, and I don't have to actually, you know, get out and open the door, send back in. Like that, I think that's awesome. It's gonna be, makes things a little easier, you know, when you got multiple stops like that. Yeah, I gotta find somewhere to park because this is just dumb. This is so dumb. Well, if you just found a spot to park, I guess that's what that is. Just somewhere to park it, huh? I have to at least find a truck stop or somewhere that I can get gas for my generator. Whoa there, Mr. Jeep. Jeez. I don't know why I called you Mr., but I'll just call you Jeep. Guys, there is no road. So it's like driving on sand at this point. It sucks. I'm just sliding around. Carry out. I don't think anybody's doing any carry out right now. Yeah, he's gonna try and go around you. So I got this Crete driver up here in front of me. Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean, like I said, he was riding my tail for a good minute, and then he finally came around me. So, we'll see what he does.
I mean, it ain't nothing but a 2-lane highway through here, so.
Yeah, you can't hardly see the road, and what you got, like a 1/8 of a mile visibility, and I know he's got trucks in front of him, so I know he can't see.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. This guy's a freaking idiot. You were a dumbass, Crete.
Just sit back here, relax, and wait till we get to a major highway.
Yeah, I guess he's too impatient, or I mean, he's just a better driver than all of us, right?
I guess he considers him a real professional, you know.
Got them fingerless gloves on too, sure, right?
Slowing down up here.
Yeah, boy.
Snow wild.
Because he stopped?
Nah, they're coming down the other side of the road.
Oh, I see him now, thank you.
Hey, it's swinging very far down, that's for sure.
As long as we keep an eye on that yellow, I'm alright.
That's what I'm trying to do, but sometimes it disappears. You following 32 all the way out, or what?
Oh yeah, we got a half mile turn up here on the right.
I don't know if you're following it that way too or not.
Yeah, I run over to 75 and then go south.
Yeah, that's where I'm headed.
Yeah, this Crete truck here in front of me was behind me, and he kept just riding my tail. So I hollered at him on the radio saying, hey, if you want to go around me, be my guest. I'll back it off even more and let you go around me. Well, he fired up, or keyed up, and came back, and I thought it was the Crete guy behind me, but it wound up not being. It's the guy that's in front of the Crete that I've been talking to. But Crete here needs to go back to common sense class or something, because he's a blooming freaking idiot. What's your trailer number, Crete? I'd sure like to get that. Oh. He didn't even completely stop.